Dora's worst nightmare. She's gonna kill me when she sees this clip. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we originally wanted to go hiking, but we didn't realize we needed to make reservations for our initial spot, so that kind of backfired. We didn't end up doing that, so now we're at a garden called Innisfree. It's in New York, Millbrook, New York, and we've been here before. It's actually really cool. We had a great time. There's so many different kinds of flowers, and it's really pretty. There's like a small waterfall and a bunch of lily pads and other stuff. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same thing, but we'll see. I'm pretty excited to show you guys. So let's take a look. Last time we were here, I believe it was like the height of the pandemic, so they were only letting in a few people at a time, and of those people I think we were only able to explore for maybe like an hour or two, so we didn't get to explore the full garden. So I think that's our job this time, is just to explore the garden in its entirety. But for the most part, the layout's the same. I don't think that's going to change, but it's still really nice.
Those flowers are really amazing. They're huge and like full bloom. Like, this is my hand. I always like to use that as my reference. And this is the flower. So how giant they are. I think the video couldn't do the justice of how pretty this sunlight coming through the leaves. A very bright, kind of see-through, all the way to the sunlight. It's really pretty. This is quite amazing. So those are some flowers, tiny flowers that just grow randomly around this water fountain kind of thing. And I guess we could go over there and get some splash, but maybe not.
Dora's worst nightmare. She's gonna kill me when she sees this clip.
So you have this little rest area. There's not much here. The view is actually really, really pretty.
We're making our way around the lake now. Coming to a close. Dora is a little freaked out because she sees like centipedes. I mean, they don't bother you, so it was cool. We saw like some frogs, and I mean, there's obviously like gnats and bugs and stuff, but this is nature, I guess. So that's yeah, she's freaking out. I guess you can tell we're not really hiking people. So Dora, what are your thoughts on Innisfree the second time around?
I think the half of the loop, I didn't get to enjoy as much as I was trying to move forward to get away from the centerpieces. But springtime is really, really nice. You get to see a lot more flowers. I think last time we were here was summertime, so mostly green. So definitely recommend the spring flower season.
It's not as hot, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's a really good and easy, like, I don't want to say hiking, but like a nice
brisk
stroll.
walk. Yeah.
Yeah, a nice walk where you get to see the nature is actually pretty naturally maintained here, I think.
Yeah, and there's not like too many people either.
It's just a lot of centerpieces.
A lot of centipedes, yeah. That does it for our time here at the Innisfree Garden. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every Thursday. So I guess we'll see you next week.
Bye!
We out!